Oh my god. Thank you guys. Thank you so much for watching today's video. Please do not forget to hit that subscribe button and also hit the notification bell. That way you know when we have new uploads. Merry Christmas and have a fabulous time with your family and friends. Bye. Hello ladies, hello gents. Thank you for being here today. So on today's video, we are going to be decorating the Christmas tree. As you can see, it's a very pretty tree. Let me take this away, even though we're going to need it later. So today I'm actually going for a romantic theme. We're going to be using gold, white and blush. It's going to turn out beautiful, guys. You can already tell that I love gold, right? Because last year we had gold on the tree. But this year I'm trying to use a different setting. This tree is actually, I forgot the name of this tree. I'm going to link it down below for you guys, anybody that wants to get it, but I love it. It's actually a flock tree and it has some spaces, so I need to fluff it a little bit before we start the decorations. So let's jump right in, guys. So because we have some, you can see some spaces in here, even though I fluffed the tree, you can still see some spaces. What I'm going to do is I will start filling them up with the ornaments and the flowers. First, I'm going to put this in here. Right. So you see I have the flowers here and it is taken away. It's making the tree look fuller. The best thing you want to do is go color after color. That way you can see what you're working with. So this one, I think I'm gonna go with it right here. All the flowers I got from Michael's except this one that I told you that I got from Ross. So we're gonna go in with the flowers first, then we go in with the ornaments. Say, I'm trying to fit this one somewhere. Have you noticed that I like fur? It is so beautiful. So if you're trying to get me something that has fur in it. Let's see if this one can go here. How cute is this, guys? Look at this. I got this one from at home. And I'm trying to put it up here. Here right now, guys. You don't want to hear it. Damn. Babe, can you let me do this in peace and harmony? Right, so we're putting the flowers right here.
Come on in,
I think this one's gonna look good up here.
For the merriest time of year. Come on in, get together for a good time. Smile, my dear. Come on in, come on up, come on over. We'll be dancing round the tree. So let us have a swinging Christmas, just like 1, 2, 3. We know the time is short. We blink and then it's gone. So we better make the most of what we've got. So take your neighbor by the hand and join the dance parade.
Next we're going in with these gorgeous ornaments. This one I got from my home as well. I think we're gonna put it up here. Put in next. And I'm gonna stick this one at the bottom. How cute is this reindeer, guys? Like I said, I love me some fur. He's right here. So next we are going with this and just have to take out. These were got from Michael's as well. So come on in, here. Come on over. We'll be singing all the songs. So I like when it drops down like a fountain. That's beautiful. Just like one, you want to make sure you support yourself, guys. Oh, I see it. How beautiful is that? You want to have these. I think they're called books or something. That's a beautiful carriage. Look at it. My Cinderella moment. If you can remember last year I had this icicle, but it was kind of clear. This one is blush. I love it. Now to the butterflies. Ross came through for me. Okay. I love butterflies because they represent growth. I'm a sucker for growth. That's why each time I have to have me some butterflies. At the bottom we have the tree skirt. I actually got this tree skirt from Wellington. It is so pretty. You can tell I love fur, right? The quality is so good. And the cones, I got them from Home Goods, my favorite store. I got the pumpkins from Home Goods. It's the festive season, guys. Just take a look at how beautiful it looks.
to give the gift of cheer. So come on in, come on up, come on over. We'll be singing all them songs. So let us have a swinging Christmas, just like one